Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 Mazda6. This one is black. Underneath it's a 2.5 4-cylinder pushing out 184 horsepower. For wheels we've got 19-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black leather interior, sunroof. Come around back, rear spoiler. Mazda6 badging. Open up the tailgate. Sit all season and regular floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Power window. Bose sound system. Memory seats. Power seats. Up and in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, our media display, rear view backup camera, navigation, touchscreen, dual climate controls, heated seats, automatic transmission, hard keys for a media display. This Mazda has 68,614 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Mazda 6, check out feldmannimports.com.